What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie. Today for you, I'm bringing you what's inside my day bag. This is basically my everyday carry, my purse. It's a backpack, but I am a full-time RVer. I'm a mom of 4, so I carry a lot of stuff on me. This is not for my quick trip running to the grocery store, things like that. I actually just shared what's inside of this pouch. This is when I'm on the go and I want to run out. This has all of my necessities. So this video will make more sense if you go back and watch this one if you haven't seen it. But today I'm sharing everything that I carry, how I organize it. They call me the kit queen here because it is really important for me to have systems in place that make my life a little bit easier. So hopefully by me sharing them with you, it makes your life easier. Today is my 200th video celebration, which I am so excited. That means pretty much you could watch one of my videos every day for 6.5 months, which is kind of crazy to think about. So I've been on YouTube, I feel like 5 years now, and I just love doing this. I take breaks periodically, but this is my happy place. This is where I like to express myself, and I love helping people and teaching people things. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the channel. If you guys are excited to celebrate my 200th video celebration, this video, definitely leave me a comment below and say hello. Thank you guys so much for being here. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you that watch my videos, because I have met so many of you online. We've messaged back and forth, and I've actually made friends, so I'm so grateful for you guys. Anyways, if you guys, I know what you're really here for. You guys are here for the good. So if you guys want to see what's inside of my everyday carry, my backpack, my purse, whatever you want to call it, then just keep watching. So here is the bag. Like I said, I keep this little guy on the outside. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to start sharing with you guys. All right, so here is an aerial shot of what it looks like inside the bag. There's a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is heavy. Whenever anybody grabs it, like, oh my God, I can't believe you carry all this. I just think I must be burning extra calories if I'm carrying all this stuff around, and I just like to have things on me. Now, I change my mind all the time. If I don't feel like carrying certain things, then I don't. If the weather's different or whatever's going on, for example, I have a jacket in here, which I will show you. If I'm going out and it's so hot and I'm in Florida, I may not bring my jacket. I may leave it in the car and I may not carry it with me. If it's raining outside, I will put my rain jacket in here. I have a rain jacket. So it just depends on what's going on, and I will interchange things. We'll get more into that later. But so on the first thing that I have is this little bag right here. How cute is this? I take all my gum out and I put it into this little thing. I just think it's so cute and fun to have it in here. Okay, next up, I have a first aid kit. I'm gonna be sharing this with you guys in the next video. This would be just way too long of a video if I showed you everything that was in here as well. But just know that I have everything that you could possibly think of that you may need with your kids on the go. That is in this bag. So that was right here in the front. Then I also in the front have a bag of wipes. I got this little pouch from Amazon. It came in a set. I love it. So the first one is like a baby wipe, so you can wipe your hands, do whatever you want with it. This one here, and it smells really good, like sweet oranges. Love that. Let me just pull them all out here. I have to have all the wipes on me because it's just what I have to do. Don't mind my nails. I still haven't got them done. I know. I'm a full-time RVer. I can never find places to go. Fever Frida. So if you have a child that's overheating, you can stick this on the back of their neck or on their forehead. Clorox wipes if you want to wipe down a table, a bench, seats on the bus, whatever it may be. Love having Clorox wipes on me. I have, these are not wipes, but these are daily bug shields. Right now with all the malaria crap going on, I think it's important to have bug protection on you. I have bug wipes in my pouch back here that I shared with you guys on another video, but I also have these on me as well. They're nice and light. I like having it, doesn't take up a lot of room. Then I have lens cleaning wipes. My kids are always stepping on my shoes, so I have shoe cleaning wipes. And then we have hand sanitizing wipes. So they all have different purposes, but I like having them all. You want to make things so they lay down flat, and I put everything in like file folders. It makes it so easy to just like pull everything out. So here's what we're looking like right now. so here is my snack bag. I feel like I've shared this on Instagram, but I just lost 28 pounds, so it is so important for me to keep snacks on me. And I like having protein bars, so if I skip a meal, I'm still getting protein in, and I'm not starving. So then when I get to my meal, I'm not wanting to ravish everything. So inside here, I just have, I love these protein bars. These are super good. Let me see if I can find the other one. Oh, this flavor though. Flavor's bomb. I am out of the other protein bars. I will try to leave it up on the screen for you, but they're so bomb, or I'll link it down for you guys in the blog post. Don't forget, all of the product links are linked in a blog post down below. Okay, and then I just have like a Quest candy. We have these like chocolate candy bars, some pistachios, just little different things. This changes, and I have like candy too. So I do not have this in here right now, but sometimes I do bring this with me. It just kind of depends, like if I'm going to the movies or whatever, I have, these are so good. They're like Smart Sweets, but better. They're softer and chewier, and they have about the same amount of calories. And then I have, these are the Quest peanut butter things, and I have some more nuts down here. And then sometimes I'll cut up beef jerky pieces and I'll put it at the top one. So it just kind of depends. I'll bring this, or I'll put this in there. It just, I interchange back and forth. So currently this is not in there, but if I go to the movies, I'm definitely going to stick that in my bag. Next up, I share this with you guys. I will link this in the eye above for you. I also shared like all my snacks and different things like that in a video as well. But I have a very detailed video on all of my supplements that I like to carry on me. But I have Stir, chlorophyll drops, and then I have my stevia drops. I just like having this on me. And then I have a bunch of tea, drink packets, lemon powder. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but these are actual lemon, real lemon crystals. So I like having this on me. Also, depending on where I go and what's going on, like I'm not necessarily going to bring this to an amusement park, or, you know what I mean? It depends. So all of these things I pull in and out, but I keep them all packed and ready to go depending on what the situation may be. Okay, then next up I have this little makeup pouch. I'm probably going to just do a separate video on this because there's a lot in here, you guys. So if you want to see what's in here, for example, I have a little Versace perfume. I have just, there's lipstick, and you guys get the picture. Maybe I'll just do a reels on it, but I have little powder. All the good stuff in here. I also just bought a bunch of them, so I know where to get everything. Maybe I should just do a video on this, but this is my little makeup pouch. But most of it is like miniature things. So I have like miniature lip gloss and miniature spray, and I have foundation. I literally have everything, and it fits in here, which is pretty cool. I don't have knockoffs. I always get asked that question. These are all authentic Louis Vuitton bags, and I've sold so many, you guys, because I'm a full-time RVer. I only have like a few staple pieces now, which I actually use them all the time, and I love them. And right now they're worth more than what I paid for them. That was like all of my makeup to do like a face of makeup, but whatever current lip products I'm using, that's what goes in here. Usually it's like, I've been loving this. This is the Superstay Vinyl Lip. And then I love these NYX Loud lip liners. These are the absolute best. I just like having my Dior lip oil. These are so good. I have my lash brush. I keep this on me as well. I just carry a little bit of cash in here. I like having this on me. I just think it's important to keep cash on you. I also have cash in my pouch, which I'll show you guys in just a second. Next up is this guy. We're going to show you everything that is inside of here. First up, we have this wet brush. I don't think this is available anymore, but I do really love it. I'll try to find something similar. I have Alien perfume. It smells super good. I just love the bottle. It's so pretty. Then I have some Chanel hand cream. And we have this little guy, which has regular Q-tips, and then I also have these makeup removing Q-tips. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's a liquid in there. You pop it off the top, and then you can get the hard, stubborn mascara out from underneath your eyes. Then I just have like some medication to keep on the go. I like having some hairspray on me. I always use that. A little tiny baby deodorant. Soap sheets. I feel like this is important because some bathrooms do not have soap. A little pair of tweezers. I have a migraine stick. I have a lighter. always good to have ways to start fire on you. That's a part of my EDC. Okay, so this is basically my necessities pouch. That's what's in here, is all of my necessities. Okay, so you guys have seen my EDC bag. Now, I sometimes will put this in my car if I'm at a place where I'm going to be near my car. Now, if I'm in the city and I want to have this on me and I have too much in my bag, I will go back to my smaller one. If I have room and it's not hot, I don't need a jacket, I don't need things to keep me warm or a fan because it's too hot, whatever the case may be, I will bring my larger one because I do like to have this on me. I have an entire video on this, you guys. This is all of my EDC stuff. This is basically like survival. So if you're not into this, you could totally skip this part, but I like to be prepared for all of the things that if shit hits the fan and I'm out and about with my family or whatever, I have a compass, ways to start fire, medication, you know what I mean, gloves, a mask, blanket, scissors, literally just everything you could possibly think of I keep in here. So like I said, I switch things out just depending on what the scenario and situation is. So I do have a smaller one that I also keep. Okay, next up, I want to show you guys like my interchangeable things. I also have kids that have backpacks. They carry all of their own things now. My youngest is about to be 6, so they all have their own city backpack. If you guys want me to do a video on that, I totally can. But I think it's important to have everybody have things that they need so I don't have to carry everything. And then also, I just got a dog stroller that's coming on Friday, which we've been bringing our dog everywhere. I have a Frenchie, her name is BB. She is like the cutest, sweetest dog. I love her so, so much. Now that I have room in her thing, I'm gonna be carrying a cooler and different things. So it just kind of depends on what the situation is. I'm trying to just give you guys some ideas on what I bring, how to pack stuff, and what's in my bag, okay? So next up, I have different jackets. So this is just a regular jacket. This is, I can't find my other puffer jacket. I don't know where it is. It must be packed in another bag somewhere, but I will put it up on the screen and I will also list it for you guys in the blog post. But I always carry a backpack. I just pull that out of this corner right here, okay? So if we're going somewhere where it gets cold at night or the beach, I always get cold, period. Like honestly, even if we're going to the movies, I bring a blanket because I'm always cold. So I like having that. But I also have, this is my rain jacket. So I interchange either that puffer jacket, this one, or this one here. The puffer jacket is a foldable one. It's basically looks like this. It folds into a pouch, but I just have an extra one of these. This is more like a windbreaker jacket and this is a rain jacket. So those come in and out depending on what the weather is. Now, this is something I just pulled out as well. I always wear cute shoes. I like wearing heels. I take photos for Instagram. So I want to have shoes on me if my feet start to hurt. They also have flip-flop versions of these. These are just ballerina shoes. Honestly, I don't like these anymore, but I have them and I would probably get like a more one that's not so shiny. They're nice and lightweight and they fold flat and I can just shove them in my bag. So if I'm out and about and my feet start to hurt, even tennis shoes start to hurt sometimes, you can just switch them out with these. So that is another variable that stays in my bag or it comes out depending on where I'm at. Last but not least, you guys have already seen the video on this. I will link it in the eye above for you and in the blog post, but all the necessities are in here, you guys. So if you think I'm missing something, it's probably because it's already in here. My system is if I am just running to the store really quick or whatever the case may be, I just take this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. So this is my little tech bag. I normally have a bigger tech bag in my work bag, and if I'm working somewhere or if I'm packing this to go to work, it looks different. But I just have the bare necessities. I have my Beats headphones, I have a cord, and then I have the best chargers in the world. Love these. So I just keep one of those in here. So if you guys have not seen that video, I have literally all of the bare necessities in here. Just Tide stick, lip products. I have extra pills, wipes, mirror, charger. I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to put the little clip in here of the video of my charger that I always have in here. It's charging right now, that's why it's not in here. This is my favorite charger, hands down. It packs a punch, you guys. Like some of these little chargers, you get like a half a charge. This charged my full phone and then it gave me some after that, which is incredible. So They also have a stronger one that's even stronger than this. It's by Clutch. I will leave all the information in that blog post for you guys. But look how small and sleek it is. It's absolutely the best. I also have a discount code for you. I always go back. I use both. I have this and I have the Clutch one because the Clutch one fits in here and this one does not. So I always have the Clutch one on me even before those ones. I also get a discount code. It's ALM10 and you get a discount, which is nice. Okay, and then last but not least, we just have to get into this pocket here. So I have a straw. Okay, so we got the little straw. I have a little floss dispenser. Then I have a little makeup mirror. It turns on, which I love. And then this is SPF setting powder. This is by Color Science. And then I always have this on me. I've shared this with you guys on a reel. Probiotics, multivitamin, and my enzymes. Gotta have that. All right, you guys. Oh my God, why do I feel like slightly emotional? Okay, scratch that. All right, you guys. I don't know why I feel slightly emotional, but this was my 200th video. I am so proud of myself to have made that many videos. If you do YouTube or if you've ever tried to make one, you know how hard it is. It is extremely hard to do that. And I just want to thank you guys again for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please, if you have not ever reach out to me. I love getting to know you guys. If you ever have questions, link, information, whatever it is, I will always be here to answer them for you guys. And like I said earlier, all of the product links for this video are always in a blog post. It says tap here to shop, and I like post it 5 times in a row so you guys don't miss it. I cannot believe this is 200 videos. It's crazy to me. To each and every one of you who have been here, supported the channel, and watched my videos, thank you to all the people who I've built relationships with over the years. I've actually made some really good friends within the community and also subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I always say this because I have a lot of friends that that do the same thing I do, and I do not feel like they have the group of people watching them that I do. I have the nicest people. I never ever get hate comments, like ever. And I'm just so grateful for that. I get one random weirdo here and there. It's normal, but just you guys are amazing. It's such a good community. All the people we help share information, and I have the best people. You guys always send me your recreations. You show me funny memes that remind you of me. I am so grateful for you guys. You have no idea. And this is my 200th video. So just from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for being here. It means everything to me. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, leave me a celebration emoji. Give me a firework. Give me the celebration horn, whatever is on there. Let's get some celebration emojis down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I know you could be anywhere on the internet, but you chose to be here with me. And until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna. Bye.